Now this illustration deals with phase converter supplying conductors. So in other words, we're taking single phase and providing a third phase to feed three-phase motors. Now, one has to be careful here. We have found times that electrician wanted to take single phase calculation procedures for the motor. No, the motor's three-phase. So step one in the boxed in information in this illustration, 430.6A1 is applicable. So 430.6A1 says, hey, if it's a single phase motor, go to table 430.248. But if it's a three-phase motor, you must go to table 430.250, which that's what we're doing in step one. That 25 horsepower motor, based upon its voltage and its rating, is 68 amp full load current rating. So we take that full load current rating and notice that we would apply 250% in accordance with 455.6A2 in the 455 article. And notice when we take 250% selected there times 68 amp, we come up with 170 amp. Now the application in step 3 of 455.6A2 and table 240.4G, which allows this motor to have an overcurrent device, in some cases size larger, and we would select that from table 240.6A as reference from 240.6A, we can round up. Those sections let us round up, so we could go from 170 up to 175 amp. And notice sizing the conductors, the 250% at 170 amp would be the overcurrent device. But notice the conductors would be taken at 125%. So 125% of 68, we could use 2-aught THWN copper conductors with an overcurrent device of 175 amp, and you can see everything is well protected there. So in the solution, the overcurrent protection device is 175, and the conductors is 2-aught, because we're applying Article 455 for this device sizing, not Article 430.